Project Tutorial 6 Empty Water Tank Alarm. In this tutorial, we will learn how to make an simplest to simplest system by which we can detect when the tank, our water tank, is become empty. You are watching Tronics Technical Projects with Sushil Yadav. Okay, this is our simplest circuit diagram for our empty water tank alarm. Here you can see that we have used BC547 and some resistors to create this circuit. Here we have used an battery 5 volt because this circuit diagram is from Proteus simulation. So we can use any 5 volt adapter also in place of this battery. And these are the, as you can see that these are the electrodes which you have to insert inside the tank. So move on. First you need a 5 volt adapter. Just cut its, here you can see that we have cutted out this section, this charging section. This is a 5 volt mobile charger. First you have to cut this section and take out 2 wires from this mobile charger adapter. Okay, it's an 1 ampere adapter. You can also take 2 ampere also. After that we need an BC547 2 transistor. This is an NPN transistor and an buzzer and an LED for indication. Okay, we will use 1K resistors and this is our water tank with inserted electrodes in it. Okay, just flip. We have just flipped this BC547 transistor so that you can easily understand its pin configuration, its emitter, base and collector. It's in collector, so it's not visible completely, but it's collector. Okay, so we have to connect the emitter side with the black or negative wire of our 5 volt adapter. Okay, after that connect that negative section wire with emitter of second BC547 transistor. Okay, this is 12 volt buzzer, it is LED. Now collect the collector of second transistor. This is in second transistor, this is in the collector side of second transistor with the negative side of buzzer. As you can see that here positive is indicated and this side is for negative, and we have connected positive side with the positive of our LED. Now connect the negative side of the LED with our 10K resistor. Resistors don't have any polarity, you can connect it anywhere. Okay, now connect the other side of the resistor with the collector side of transistor, or you can also say that negative side of buzzer. Moving on, now we have connected 1K resistor one side with positive 5 volt side of our adapter, because this is an base, this is for base. Just and connect the positive side with the electrode, one of electrode. Connect the positive side of 5 volt adapter with one of electrode of tank. After that connect that positive 5 volt with in middle of buzzer and LED. Okay, now as you can see that after that connect the other side of this 1K resistor with collector side, and it is also connected here with the other side of 1K resistor. Okay, connect it like that. Moving on, we will connect the one side of this 1K resistor with the base of our first BC547 transistor. Moving on, now connect that output or you can say that the other side of this resistor with second electrode of water tank. This is water tank. So now we will show you the level of water as we will use our water tank in our daily life. It will reduce and reduce gradually. So now it is become less and less. Okay, as you can see that in this animation, it has become less and less. It's become reduced, and at one time it will become below the electrodes. The water level will become below our electrodes. So at that condition, what will happen? Now you can see that the water level is below electrode. As you can see that the water level is below electrode, and what will happen? The buzzer will start buzzing and LED will show indication that our tank is empty now. So by this circuit, this simple circuit, you can make an empty water tank alarm for your own household. Thank you.